Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this Type-C charging cable. This cable supports fast charging with QC protocol and USB 2.0 data transfer. It is made of flame-retardant material. It is fast charging without heat. It is built-in smart chip intelligently adjust the charging current of the device. They're made of good quality material. They come in different design. They are so durable and they are for the long term. I do like the quality of them, and if you're looking for any Type-C charging with the fast charging function, so you should definitely get this one. Thank you.